To start configuring your leave approval workflow, let's take a look at the Select an Approval dropdown on the Leave Approval page. This is where you'll define who needs to approve a leave request. Go ahead and click the Select an Approval dropdown to see your options. Here you'll find all the available approver roles like Manager, Functional Manager, Department Head, and Division Head. These are the different people you can assign at each approval level, giving you the flexibility to build a multi-level review chain. Open the Select an Approval drop-down once again to pick who will approve the leave request at this stage. From the list of options, go ahead and choose Manager as the approver. Next, open the Select Level drop-down. You'll notice it defaults to Level 1, but this is where you decide where this approver sits in the approval chain. You'll see options like Level 1 and Level 2 here. These define the order in which approvals happen. Since the manager should be the first person to review the request, pick Level 1. Once your approver and level are set, hit the +Add button to insert this step into the workflow. You'll see the Level 1 approval assigned to the L1 manager appear right in your workflow list. Go ahead and click Save to lock in this first approval level. A Data Submitted confirmation pops up, meaning your Level 1 approval is now saved and ready to go. The Level 1 approval step has been saved successfully. Now let's move on to adding multi-level approvers, where we'll set up a second approver to review the request after the manager. To add a second approver, open the Select an Approval drop-down once again. Since leave requests often need more than one sign-off, scroll through the list and pick Functional Manager as your Level 2 approver. With Level 2 already selected for you, go ahead and hit the +Add button to lock in the second approver. Click the Save button to commit your changes. You'll see a Data Submitted confirmation pop up, and the page refreshes to display both Level 1 and Level 2 in your approval route. Your multi-level workflow is all set.